Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can block someone on Snapchat. So in order to block someone on Snapchat, all you need to do is open the Snapchat app, just like this. Once you've done that, go and head over into your chats and click on the profile of the person you want to block, just like this. Once you've done that, you will find at the top right corner of your screen 3 little dots where you can click on, and then what you want to find is Manage Friendship. Then what you need to do is click on block, and once you've done that, you've basically blocked that person. What you can now do is head over to the top left corner of your screen at your basically at your Bitmoji, then go to the top right corner and then scroll down till you find blocked contacts. So let me quickly find that. Alright, so it's right here, it's called block users. All you need to do is click on it and then you will find a list of all the users you have blocked over on Snapchat, and that is basically all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.